How to create a group chat in Messenger. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open our Messenger app right here. Then what we want to do next is to open one of the conversations that we have right here. And let's say for example that we want to add this account right here, right? So what we want to do next is to click this information icon right here. Now, what we want to do is to scroll down and then you will see this create group chat with Blythe. And then what we want to do is to click create group. And then once you click that, you can change the group name right here. So let's say, for example, this one, and then just search for another account that you want to add in your group chat. So let's say, for example, that we want to also add this one right here and this one, this one, this one, this one. And then once we do that, all we have to do is to click the create button right here. And then you should now be able to create a group chat. The easier way to create a group chat is to go back again on the home page right there and then click this icon right here. So just click that, and then as you can see, you will see this group chat right here. So just click group chat right there again, and then of course do the same thing that I've just tackled earlier. So if you want to add this person right here, you can also do that, this one, and then once you're now done, just click create, and then you should now be able to create a group chat in Messenger. So that is basically it. That is how to create a group chat in Messenger.